When creating a project, you may spend a lot of time customizing your HTML5 output templates in the Player Settings window. The player now looks great. If you want to save and reuse the settings across projects, just follow the steps in this video. First, access the Export tab, and open the Player Settings window. You can expand the color parameters to customize each section in the player. Alternatively, selecting any preset from the built-in list saves you tons of time. For example, light purple is picked instead of the default dark. If you made any changes, the preset name now turns custom. To save this preset and reuse it later, click the Save button. Enter a meaningful preset name in the pop-up dialog. For instance, Pantone. So, your Pantone preset is placed in the modern theme skin. If you change the skin, the preset now becomes custom. And you should save it again. Click OK when you are satisfied with everything. Now, open another project to apply the saved preset. In the Player Settings window, if you select another skin like Media, your Pantone preset won't appear. Remember to choose the right skins that you save your preset. Let's try out the curve skin. Your saved preset is available here. If you want to remove it from this skin, click the Remove button. So, your Pantone preset is just available in the modern theme skin now. Thanks for watching.